Noun. Common and proper noun. What is a proper noun? A proper noun is a special name we give to a specific person, place, animal, or thing. Rules to identify a proper noun. They get a name tag. They are the specific names we give to things. They always start with a big, tall, capital letter to show they are special. Examples of proper noun are name of person like Rahul, Mary, Dr. Sharma, and many more. Places Mumbai, India, Mount Everest. Days and months like Monday, Friday, April, October. Name of festivals Diwali, Christmas, Eid, and many more. Common noun. A common noun is a naming word for any person, place, or thing. It is a general name for everything you see, touch, or talk about. They are the names we give to whole groups of people, places, and things. Examples of common noun are in people, boy, girl, doctor, mom, teacher. Places, school, park, kitchen, beach, shop. Things, toy, book, car, ball, cake. Animals, cat, dog, bird, lion, fish. Put the proper and the common noun in the correct column. Bruno, proper noun. Cake, common noun. Peacock, proper noun. School, common noun. Earth, proper noun. Diwali, proper noun. Month, common noun. River, common noun.